Are you struggling to get traffic to your affiliate offers, landing pages, or online business? What if there was a simple method that could help you generate targeted traffic without spending a fortune on ads? In this video, I'm reviewing the Top G traffic method to see exactly what it is, how it works, what's included inside, and whether it's actually worth your money. Plus, if you decide to pick it up through my link, you'll also get some exclusive bonuses from me. So stay tuned. Introduction. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I create honest reviews of the latest Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Launchpad, and digital marketing products so you can make smarter buying decisions. Now, today we're taking a closer look at the Top G traffic method, a traffic training program designed to help marketers generate visitors and potentially increase conversions using a specific traffic strategy. In this review, I'll show you what it is, how it works, what's included inside, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth your investment. Before we get started, if you decide to pick up the Top G traffic method through my link below, you'll also get 5 exclusive bonuses completely free. Bonus number 1, AI Video Ads Mastery Video Course. Bonus, gratu, 200 plus. AI Video Prompts, Pack Bonus. Number 3, Premium Video Editing Assets, Pack Bonus. Number 4, Top 20 AI Tools, Bundle with Direct Links, 2026 Bonus. Number 5, Step-by-Step Money Making. Guide these. Bonuses are designed to help you generate more traffic, create better content, and grow your online business faster. So let's jump inside and see what it offers. What is the Top G traffic method? The Top G traffic method is a step-by-step traffic training course. The main goal of this product is to teach users how to generate traffic and get more eyeballs on their offers, websites, affiliate links, or online business. According to the creator, the system is designed to be beginner-friendly and focuses on practical traffic generation methods rather than complicated technical setups. YouTube. So if you're someone who's struggling with traffic, lead generation, or getting consistent visitors, this training aims to provide a structured solution, features, and benefits. Here are some of the key benefits that stand out. Number 1. Beginner-friendly training. You don't need advanced marketing experience to get started. Number 2. Step-by-step guidance. The training is designed to walk users through the traffic generation process. Number 3. Flexible application. The traffic methods can potentially be used for affiliate marketing, email list building, product launches, and other online business models. Number 4. Low startup cost. Unlike paid advertising strategies that may require large budgets, this method focuses on more affordable traffic approaches. Number 5. Scalable opportunities. As you learn and implement the system, you may be able to expand your reach and increase traffic over time. How does it work? Without revealing the paid content. Here's a general overview. You'll gain access to the training area where the creator explains the traffic strategy step by step. The lessons are structured to help users understand how to attract visitors, direct traffic to offers, and potentially improve marketing results. The focus is on implementation, meaning you'll need to follow the training and take action to see results. Like any marketing method, success depends heavily on consistent effort and execution. So let's jump inside vendor video what he says about this product.
James and Max here, and welcome to the Top G traffic method. I'm so happy and thrilled to bring this to you because this product, this method came to us out of the blue. We weren't looking to make this happen. We literally stumbled upon this and came to a crazy conclusion, and that is we can get access to traffic that we didn't create. I'm not talking about ads here. I'm talking about seeing traffic that's getting tons of views, but now we can make it our own. We can take it for our own and give it and move it wherever we want it to do that. And the crazy thing is, this doesn't take any skills. This doesn't take any tech. It's super, super easy to do. The bottom line is we're getting a bunch of traffic. We're getting a bunch of traffic going to our links. We're doing a bunch of different affiliate promotions. We're blowing up our school communities. We're making this traffic go wherever we want to do it. But the thing is, we didn't have to make a new website. We didn't have to pay for ads. We didn't have to find all this crazy stuff that keeps people locked down with all kinds of different tech. This is so simple. If you want results, if you want traffic in a brand new way, but yet it's so simple to do, you want to check this out. Max?
Yeah, so traffic is super important when it comes to making money on the internet. You need clicks, you need visitors, and this is something that James has discovered, and he shared it with me, and I was like, wow, this is insane. If this really works, like I'd be super thrilled. And usually traffic means that you have to build all of these crazy assets. You have to show up every day, post stuff, build websites, do all of the stuff that you most likely don't want to do. But this method here is all about getting your links in front of traffic that already exists. So this is crazy, you don't have to create anything. This already exists, and now you can get your links in front of it. This is like super different from what we've launched in the past, and we're super excited to be able to bring this to you. So definitely click on the buy button below, and then I hope to see you inside.
Pros and cons. Pros, easy for beginners to understand. Step-by training format. Can be applied to multiple online business models. Affordable entry price, suitable for affiliate, marketers and digital marketers. Cons. Traffic generation still requires effort and consistency. Results are not guaranteed. May not be a complete business model on its own. They need to take action and implement the strategies. Who is this for? I think the top GI traffic method is best suited for affiliate marketers. Beginners looking for traffic training, email marketers, online entrepreneurs, anyone struggling to get visitors to their offers. However, if you're expecting instant overnight results without doing any work, this probably isn't the right solution for you. Pricing and OTOs. At the time of this review, the front-end offer is available at a low introductory price, making it accessible for beginners. There may also be several optional upgrades or OTOs available that provide additional training, advanced strategies, or done-for-you resources. My recommendation is to start with the front-end product first and then decide if you need any upgrades. So, is the top GI traffic method worth it? If you're looking for a beginner-friendly traffic training course and want to learn new ways to generate visitors for your online business, then this product may be worth considering. What I like most is that it focuses on traffic, which is one of the biggest challenges for most marketers. Of course, no traffic system can guarantee success, and your results will always depend on how well you implement the training. Overall, I think it's a useful training product for beginners who want to improve their traffic generation skills. CTA plus bonuses 520 to 600 seconds. If you're interested in picking up the top GI traffic method, check out the first link in the description below. And remember, when you purchase through my link, you'll also receive these exclusive bonuses. Bonus number 1, Affiliate Marketing Guide, Step-by-Step. Bonus number 2, Free Traffic Generation Guide Bonus. #3, AI Marketing Beginner Notes, PDF. For Digital Marketing Video Course Bonus. #5, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle 2026 Plus. You'll get all vendor bonuses that come with the product. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future product reviews. See you in the next video.